So I just really want to thank you all for joining today. I wish it was under better circumstances, but as you know, the world has been completely consumed by the coronavirus. And it's important that I speak to you personally, directly to you, so that you can hear from me what T-ROC is doing to prepare for this uncharted territory. In fact, any of you who know me know that I never write anything. I never use notes, but in this case, I want to make sure that I get all of this information out to you as accurately as possible and that I don't forget anything. So forgive me if you see me reading off of notes as we go through this together. T-ROC has faced national disasters such as hurricanes, tornadoes, and fires in our past. And the T-ROC Nation has always come together, united to face these challenges with compassion, determination, and a spirit to make sure that we help each other and our customers through difficult times. These experiences have prepared us to respond to COVID-19, which is our greatest challenge yet. I call it our greatest challenge because unlike storms, our ability to forecast the path of COVID-19 is virtually impossible. Every day we all get up and learn something new about the virus, how foreign countries are dealing with it, how the federal and state governments are responding, and how the world financial markets reacting. It can all cause a great deal of panic. But I ask that you don't allow yourself to become fearful over the overwhelming information that is out there. Focus on the facts. Focus on what you can do to prepare and prevent this virus from spreading, and be confident that T-ROC is here to help you. The importance of our core values, how we operate, is so important during these times. Our core values mean everything to this company, and if you list what those values are, you'll see that they're very appropriate and in keeping for what we're going through today. In the spirit of what I'd like you to focus on today, I've created what I call the 5 C's of crisis management. I ask that you listen to them and adopt these 5 C's for yourself, your teams, your customers, and maybe even your families. The first is to stay calm. We have to stay calm during this time. If we allow ourselves to panic, we will impact our judgment and will make poor decisions for ourselves and for our families. Keeping straight and keeping calm through this emergency will go a long way. Number 2, have confidence. Have confidence that between your efforts and those of T-ROC, we will get through this difficult time in the best and safest way possible. 3, and I can't overstate this enough, is communication. We are committed to communicating with you as needed, whether that mean hourly, daily, every other day, whatever is necessary, so that we know that you know what we're doing here at T-ROC to navigate us through this difficult time. That's a two-way street, however. We really need you to communicate back with us as well. We need to hear from you what is happening. We need to hear from you what issues you're dealing with. Don't be shy about calling your manager, about calling the corporate office, about calling our people experience team to answer any questions that they can. If they don't know the answers, they'll go and they'll get those answers for you. The 4th C is collaboration. We must collaborate with each other. T-ROC does not have all the answers, and we don't pretend to. No one has all the answers to this epidemic, this pandemic that we're dealing with right now. However, if we delve into our organization deeply and we leverage the mental capacity and the horsepower that we have on this webcast today and throughout the rest of the T-ROC organization, we will discover hidden nuggets of knowledge and gold that will help us get through this situation much faster and much more smoothly. Finally, compassion. As you know, T-ROC has always had a family type of culture. We sincerely care about each of our T-ROCers around the country and now internationally around the world. Let's continue that. Compassion in the face of crisis is very, very important. We need to be there for each other. We need to help each other. This can be as simple as just listening to a fellow T-ROCer and reassuring them that we will get through this. Do whatever you can for each other. Do each other favors. Be compassionate. So to summarize, stay calm, have and project confidence to your families, to your teams, to our customers. Communicate as much and as often as you possibly can. There is no need for rumor mills to start or second guessing. We're committed to that communication. Collaborate with yourselves and with management and have compassion for each other and your customers. This is the moment when we need to come together to help each other navigate through these times. Many states or districts have already closed stores, as you know, affecting the working parents on our team. Perhaps we can all show some flexibility in adjusting work schedules to help parents meet their childcare needs and still work. It's examples like that of working together and collaborating with one another and having compassion that will help us get through this quicker. I've had several employees reach out to me expressing concern that they'll lose their jobs over coronavirus. Let me be clear. I don't want anyone to experience any job loss over COVID-19. I've instructed our leadership to do whatever is right and fair for our T-ROCers. I ask for your commitment in return to do what is right for T-ROC. We must keep our business running. Our customers depend on us now more than ever. Without T-ROC, we are placing our clients' business at risk. This is a time when we can show our customers the strength of T-ROC and the value we bring even during challenging times. I'm so confident that together we'll successfully navigate this time and come out on the other side smarter and stronger as a result. I can also tell you that the quality of the deep relationships that we have with our customers is revealing itself today. Our many conversations with each of them have all been around you guys in the field, you guys in the corporate office and in the field that make it happen every day. Like us, they're concerned about your well-being and they're providing tremendous support to T-ROC in many different ways to help us do the right thing. That is including things like closing stores when they're in a danger zone, maybe abbreviated hours in retail stores when that's necessary. We're even working with them on financial matters to help bolster us and make sure we can provide a balanced outcome for all of you in the field that are worried about your paychecks every single week and every single day. We are closely monitoring reports from the CDC, which is the Center of Disease Control, for those of you who don't know that, and the government so we can quickly react when needed. Our health advocate partner, RightWay, has been amazing for us. In fact, tomorrow at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, we will have a special T-ROC TV episode with my doctor, Dr. Ted Feldman, who will give us his medical perspective on COVID-19, and he knows a lot about it. We have provided to our field managers general guidelines to do and what to do under various circumstances. Your manager will work with you to ensure that you're informed of T-ROC's operation and of your options. On Monday, we launched a workplace page that can be found by searching coronavirus. That is a resource for you to find critical information related to COVID-19, along with important web links to help address your concerns. You'll also be able to ask questions if we don't know the answers. We will search once again and we will find those answers for you. We want to help you and help decrease any fear you might be feeling. Having the right information is a positive step in decreasing fear. Maintain communication with your manager. Let us know how you're doing. Make sure your contact information is updated in ADP, because if we don't hear from you, we're going to be looking for you and we're going to be contacting you. Don't forget about our people experience team who are available to answer questions that are important to you and your family. Our Coral Gables office is currently testing a work remotely from home scenario so that we can test our systems and ensure that we have full capabilities to be able to support each other and everyone in the field should a work from home or a work remotely scenario take place. Our customers depend on us to provide a service that is relied on now more than ever. So let's leverage the technologies and the infrastructure that we've invested in for so many years to prepare for situations like this. Again, there are so many different programs that we have. I ask that you work with your managers, reach out to people experience, reach out to whomever you need to get answers to any kind of questions that you may have. I just also want to thank you so much for being T-ROCers. I'm so proud of our company, and I'm so proud of the way that you've handled this situation so far, and I'm going to be even more proud about how we handle the situation going forward into the future. This too shall pass, my friends. This too shall pass. We need to be diligent. We need to make sure we're using good hygiene. We need to make sure we're paying attention to whatever the government is sharing with us and whatever local governments are sharing with us. And we need to minimize the impact of this horrible virus as much as we possibly can. For now, thank you very much for what you've done. Thank you very much for what you're going to do. And please reach out to any of us if you have any questions. Thank you.